What's up, guys? It's me, Bennett, and today I'm gonna be unboxing some fidget spinners. I think well, it says it by the title, so I guess obviously. So I literally got these in the mail. I say that this is the heaviest, so I think we're gonna save this one for last. I literally just went to the mail like 2 minutes ago, picked these up. So let's get into it. Just the Exacto. I totally messed up. And cut this open. Yeah. So I've seen these before. They're supposed to go in the dark. I like these. This one also has tape on it. Boy, I like getting my hands on fidget spinners. They're real cool, guys. Do not ever underestimate the power of fidget spinners. Because one day, they'll take over the world. Where's the package? Here it is. Sorry about all the noise. Blocking all this lovely music that you guys hear. Next off, this one. Can you guys guess what it is? I won't look. Yeah. I'm gonna look now. Dude, so awesome. I've heard about these. These are pretty cool. They are supposed to last like 8 minutes. I had to test it when I'm done with the video. What are you doing to me, box? There we go. Finally decided to listen. Next time we have this one. Yeah. We have a nice circular one. Oh wow, this one's loose. I think it's supposed to like roll across desks and stuff. Give it a good spin. Yeah, that's pretty darn cool. Pretty dang cool. I thought I dropped some. And guys, last but not least, in this very beautiful white bag, let's cut it open. But this isn't the right blade or Exacto knife to do it with. Sorry, buddy, but you suck. That's all I had to say. This one. Yes. I'm not looking at this for Feels nice. I'm gonna open up. Yeah. Ooh, so heavy. Oh, it feels real nice. Okay, I will spin it in 3, 2, 1, go. It has a weird sound to it. I don't know if you can hear it. It's very, very weird. So it uses ball bearings. Yeah, guys. These are my fidget spinners. And don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Let's see if we can make 100,000 likes and 50,000 subscribers. And thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. See you all later. Goodbye.